So the last of the company's rule is the Charter Act of 1853. Why I am saying last? Because in 1857 we had an revolt of 1857, after which the rule was under crown, not of company. So this is the last act passed by this company in India. So this has some constitutional significance because the features of it would explain to you. The features of this act are: it has first time separated the executive and legislative functions of Governor General of India. I mean to say, firstly, it has been the executive body of Governor General. There were no legislative functions, but they were intertwined. Both were in the same compartment, but now they have been separated. Now he has some legislative functions separately and also some implementing, I mean to say executive functions separately. These legislative functions are known as mini parliament. This is known as mini parliament. The procedures of legislating are same as how it used to be done in this British Parliament. Same procedures has been adopted to legislate in this Legislative Council. It has introduced an open competition system for selection of civil services, open to the Indians as well. I mean to say the Indians can now participate in competition writing this exam and being recruited as civil servants in British India. So there has been a committee by Macaulay who has recommended that Indian civil services open to the Indians as well. And also there has been a local representation in the Indian Legislative Council, by which I mean the local Indians like the Rajas, Maharajas, they used to be present at the Governor General of India's office, and they could also give their suggestions while implementing a law. This is the meaning of this point, that local representation of India was present in local legislative council. So we can also see that in previous acts like the 1773 or the 1781 or the Pitt's India Act of 1784, there has been mentioned about the time period of company's rule in India. But in this Charter Act of 1853, there was no mention of that time. There was clear indication that the company's rule could be terminated at any point of time if the parliament has liked. So these are the features of 1753 which we need to mention, and it is not that important. But to summarize the rule of company rule 1773 to 1858, I want you to remember the 1773 Act, which has established Supreme Court and which has also made the Governor of Bengal into Governor General of Bengal. And also you need to know about 1784 Pitt's Act and also the 1833 Act, which are very important. You need to be stressing upon it while we are looking into this subject. So we will be going into the next part.